Hey girl, hey. I got a new package today from the TikTok shop. Yes, I said the TikTok shop. I needed a new selfie light. My ring lights and my selfie sticks have been falling over and they're not of good quality, so they've been breaking. I decided to give my Bat Pro lighted selfie stick a chance, and to my surprise, I loved it. It actually came packaged pretty neat. Directions. No one likes to read directions. 2 chargers, one for the light and the other for the photo clicker. So I'm just trying to figure out which one goes to which. I think the long one goes to the light, and I think the short one goes to the photo clicker. Let me read through these directions right quick. Make sure I'm setting everything up properly. Okay, so I'm gonna get everything all set up, plugged up, and charged up, and stay tuned. I will be back.